Happy Independence Day. We know that we all are going through a pandemic situation of COVID 19 as well as many other natural calamities. With all these constraints, we present before you a compilation of cultural activities done by cadets of Batmada College NCC unit with regard to 73rd year of independence. First, we have cadet Donna Jose with a song.
ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वदन मेरे वदन, मैं वदन मेरे वदन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचो मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचो मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वदन वदन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वदन मेरे वदन, ए वदन मेरे वदन.
Now let's listen to an instrumental by Cadet Deepthi Dinesh. We have Cadet Harikrishnan CS with a beautiful speech.
I'm Cadet Harikrishnan CS. Every year on August 15th, we celebrate the Independence Day as the celebration of the freedom that we won from the British rule in 1947. Typically, on this day, India witnesses a huge celebration of independence with tricolor flag hoisting, parades, cultural functions all across the country. Independence Day is one of the most significant dates in Indian history that reminds us of the bravery of the freedom fighters. Now, many of us Indians are still in doubt whether this is the 73rd or the 74th Independence Day. Well, they come across this dilemma because they don't know the difference between Independence Day and the Year of Independence. Now, India got independence in 1947, so it celebrated its first anniversary in 1948, the 10th in 1957, the 60th in 2007. So that makes 2020 the year of 74th anniversary for the completion of 73 years. If you still don't get it, I'll give another example. A kid born on August 15th, 2020 celebrates his first birthday the next year, his 10th in 2030 and his 70th in 2090, not his 71st birthday in 2090. So, India completes 73 years of independence in 2020 and celebrates the 74th Independence Day on August 15th. Now, besides this question, some of our minds may still linger around one silent question. Are we really free after the independence? Maybe yes, maybe not. Up until this day, some say that they haven't been blessed with what we call freedom. Others say we are truly free. In my opinion, we together as Indians have to come together out of our comfort zones and strive together to make our country a great, better, peaceful place to live in. United we stand, divided we fall. On this Independence Day, let us strive together to fight against these grappling issues and make our country independent of all sorts of slavery. Thank you. Jai Hind.
We have Cadet Sedulakshmi Basi with a beautiful song.
പ്ലാവില പൊൻതളികയിൽ പാൽ പായസച്ചോറുണ്ണുവാൻ പിന്നെയും പൂം പൈതലായി കൊതി തുള്ളി നിൽക്കുവതെന്തിനോ ചെങ്കതളിക്കൂമ്പ് ചെറുതുമ്പിയായി തേനുണ്ണുവാൻ കാറ്റിനോടു ചൊല്ലി ഒരു നാട്ടുമാങ്കനി വീട്ടുവാൻ ഇനിയുമീ തൊടികളിൽ കളിയാടാൻ മോഹം ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊൻതന്ത്രിയിൽ സ്നേഹാദ്രമാം ഏതോ പദം തേടുന്നു നാം ഈ നമ്മളിൽ നിൻ മൗനമോ പൂവാനമായി നിൻ രാഗമോ ഭൂപാളമായി എൻ മുന്നിൽ നീ പുലർകന്യയായി ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊൻതന്ത്രിയിൽ കോവിലിൽ പുലർവേളയിൽ ജയദേവഗീതാലാപനം കേവലാനന്ദാമൃത തിരയാഴിയിൽ നീരാടുവാൻ പുത്തിലഞ്ഞി ചോട്ടിൽ മലർമുത്തു കോർക്കാൻ പോകാം ആനക്കേറാമേട്ടിൽ ഇനി ആയിരത്തിരി കൊളുത്താം ഇനിയുമീ തൊടികളിൽ കളിയാടാൻ മോഹം ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊൻതന്ത്രിയിൽ സ്നേഹാദ്രമാം ഏതോ പദം തേടുന്നു നാം ഈ നമ്മളിൽ നിൻ മൗനമോ പൂവാനമായി നിൻ രാഗമോ ഭൂപാളമായി
Next we have Surgeon Shweta Janayar with a beautiful song.
देश से ये प्यार तो हर पल में रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल में रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। मेरे नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आंखों से छलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। है मुझे सौगंध भारत, भूलो ना एक क्षण तुझे, रक्त की हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युक्त ये सम्मान का है मान रखना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Next we have Cadet Dhanlakshmi S with a colorful dance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Next on screen we have Cadet Sedulakshmi Basi with a dance.
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सश्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम रे म पनि म म म रे म बसनी सा तक दोनों रे जनी जनी रे म म रे जनी सा रे पा तक दोनों शुभ ज्योत्स्ना पुलकित यामिनी फूल कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदा मरदा मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
We have Cadet Alina Joseph with a dance.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तो पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो वतन मेरे वतन
Again, we have Alina Joseph with a beautiful song.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुप्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुगदां वरदा मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सजना सुफला मलयज शीतला
Ansida ND is here with a speech.
A very warm good morning to you all. Respected ANO sir, company rankers and all other NCC cadets. I am Cadet Ansida ND. I am here to speak a few words on the topic, is India really free after 73 years of independence? But before that, all my heartfelt wishes for 73rd Independence Day. We achieved independence on 15th August 1947. On this day, the national flag was hoisted on Red Fort, Delhi by Prime Minister Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. Being independent means freedom of speech and freedom of fundamental right to each and every citizen of our country. We may be independent, but we are certainly not free to speak. We are not free from the clutches of poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, and religious fanaticism. Here, poor sanitation exposes more than 60,000 children to preventable diarrheal diseases. 7 decades of freedom, and we haven't been able to send all our children to school. India is a country which is widely famous for its agriculture throughout the world. But the sad truth is that farmers are facing many problems. Stories of farmers committing suicide appears in the news daily, but there is no remedy for this. Let me raise a few questions for you. How can I call my country free land when we got threat just for opening up our mind? When child die because no doctor is ready to consult them with insufficient fund? How can I call my country free when democracy has literally been murdered in Kashmir? Rapes are increasing at an alarming rate. For me, the day everyone has accessed their right, everyone is treated equal, and aged people are no more a burden but respected the way they should be, and women are not exploited or treated as commodities. People are educated and poverty is eradicated, and employment opportunities are available to each and everyone. It is that day India will be truly independent. Let me conclude my words by wishing a happy Independence Day. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Now we have Cadet Alan Saji Alex with a speech.
Good evening to my lord. My name is Cadet Alan Saji Alex. Firstly, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. This is 73rd year that India got independence. Before that, I want to ask a question. Is the real freedom? Are we independent? From my opinion, I will say no. Because as an ordinary person, me or we does not have a right to take decisions in our own life as our own decision. Because some type of regulations and rules are put by the government. All are made to obey that. Me also. Freedom is a big word, but actually it is a simple word. A flag or map does not is a real freedom. It's for a symbol. After independence, there are several changes that happened in the government, according to all changes, but there is no change that happened in our freedom or a free to real person. There are 3 types of freedoms: political, social, and personal. Let's ignore political and social. According to personal freedom, we can say in ancient times, most of the people from their birth to death, they suffered in prison as prisoners and prison guards. They cannot take at least one day as leave for their own satisfaction. All are done with the awareness or knowledge of government. Conformity is the sum and substance of all of these things. They are conformed to drink, eat, dress, anything. But this is not a real freedom. Thank you. I hope all listen to my words. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai.
We have Cadet Alfred Anthony with a powerful speech.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Cadet Alfred Anthony and I am from Bharat Mata College, Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to speak about the topic, is India completely free after 73 years of independence? What do you mean by independence? This is the first question that arises to my mind by speaking this. To me, independence means a free will to roam around and live a peaceful life. But is India completely free, or as to say, is it completely independent? There are a few problems which India is facing during this process. One which I like to express is the low level of education during the primary classes. As you know, our teachers are consistently focusing on an improvement in their studies, but some parents, as you may know, are more focused on sending their children to do the labor and help in the household. The government and other educated people around us should inform them and consistently try to improve that they get a proper education at this moment. The other point which I like to convey is that the insecurity of women these days. They are not really able to roam around anywhere like the older days. They are not safe from all the threats that men are facing. At this time, more security should be also provided to them. The main other problem which we are facing is that it's the sanctity of what we call our sanitization in our country. In India, a lot amount of toilets are not being consistently laid everywhere. People, when try to access a proper toilet, are not getting that means at all days. So, the more toilets should be applied to our country. The other problem is secularism, and one main reason other than that is religious problems. Some religions are not being properly treated. These are not what we call independence in a clear idea. By this, we will improve in certain factors. But our Indian government has tried its maximum, and also every people in our country has tried the best to improve the consistency of our improvement. In order to improve the country, we need to stand according to same and be equal to one each other. By this, I conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Next we have Cadet Yunus K.A. with a song.
വാതിൽ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നൊരു നാളിൽ അറിയാതെ വന്നൻ ജീവനിലേറിയതാരോ കാറ്റിൽ കണ്ണിമകളടയാതെ കൊതിയോടെ എന്നും കാവലിരിക്കുവതാരോ ഒരു നാളും പിണങ്ങാതെ എന്നോടൊന്നും ഒളിക്കാതെ ഒരുമിച്ച് കിനാവുകൾ കാണുവതാരോ കള്ളൊന്നും പറഞ്ഞാലും നേരെന്നാണെന്നറിഞ്ഞാലും നിഴലായി കൂടെ നടക്കുവതാരോ വാതിൽ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നൊരു നാളിൽ അറിയാതെ വന്നൻ ജീവനിലേറിയതാരോ കാറ്റിൽ കണ്ണിമകളടയാതെ കൊതിയോടെ എന്നും കാവലിരിക്കുവതാരോ കഥയിലോ കവിത എഴുതിയോ പ്രണയം പലരുമാൻ കഴിയുമോ മനസ്സിനതിരുന്ന മായുമനുഭവം അത് പറയുവാൻ കഴിയുമോ ഓർക്കാതെ ഓരോന്നിനും നോവിച്ചാലും മിന്നാതെ കണ്ണിൽ നോക്കി പുഞ്ചിരിച്ച സഖി ഞാൻ തേടാതെ തേടി എന്നോടും വന്നില്ലേ നീ വരുമെന്നൊരു വാക്കും ചൊല്ലാതെ വാതിൽ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നൊരു നാളിൽ അറിയാതെ വന്നൻ ജീവനിലേറിയതാരോ കാറ്റിൽ കണ്ണിമകളടയാതെ കൊതിയോടെ എന്നും കാവലിരിക്കുവതാരോ കുറവ് പലതുമേ നിറയുമൊരു വെറും കണികയാൻ കരുതുമളകിലും ഏറെ അരുളിയോ അനുരാഗമെന്നുയിൽ ഞാൻ എന്നെ നേരിൽ കണ്ണാടിയായി മാറി അപ്പോഴും തെല്ലൻ ഭാവം മാറിയല്ല സരി എന്നിട്ടും ഇഷ്ടം തീരാതിന്നോളം നിന്നില്ലേ നീ വരുമെന്നൊരു വാക്കും ചൊല്ലാതെ വാതിൽ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നൊരു നാളിൽ ഇതറിയാതെ വന്നൻ ജീവനിലേറിയതാരോ കാറ്റിൽ കണ്ണിമകളറിയാതെ കൊതിയോടെ എന്നും കാവലിക്കുവതാരോ ഒരു നാളും പിണങ്ങാതെ എന്നോടൊന്നും ഒളിക്കാതെ ഒന്നിച്ചു കിനാവുകൾ കാണുവതാരോ കള്ളങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞാലും നേരെന്താണെന്നറിഞ്ഞാലും നിഴലായി കൂടെ നടക്കുവതാരോ.
We have Surgeon Helda Vincent with a creative dance.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है वंदे मातरम सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है वंदे मातरम सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है सनी सा वंदे मातरम उजड़ी नहीं अपना चमन टूटे नहीं अपना वतन गुमराह ना कर दे कोई बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई मंदिर यहाँ मस्जिद यहाँ हिंदू यहाँ मुस्लिम यहाँ मिलके रहे हम प्यार से जागो वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
Next is a speech by Cadet Jimmy T. Roy.
I'm Cadet Jimmy T. Roy. I'm standing here to speak a few words on the topic, is India really free after 73 years of independence? India is the largest democracy in the world. India has won its independence from the British colonial rule on 15th August 1947 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Since then, it has become 73 years of independence. So, the thing which we should think about is, are we really free after these 73 years of independence? On discussing this matter, we see that we have nothing to be joyous on this occasion, nothing to feel good on this occasion, because the blessings are really less and the failures and disappointments are on the increase. We can see that even after 73 years of independence, India is facing poverty, disparity, discrimination, illiteracy, and unemployment. Inequality is becoming a great threat to our nation. We can see that due to inequality in many areas, the poor people are becoming more poor and the rich are becoming more rich. Unemployment is one another factor we should overcome. The situation of unemployment is becoming more and more worse day by day. This is the reason of thousands and thousands of people in India to migrate to other countries like America, Canada, England, etc. So they think that India is not a country where they can find their employment and to lead a better life. In pursuit of to seek job opportunities and lead a better life, a number of youth are migrating to these countries. The per capita income in India is much less compared to other Asian countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, etc. Our leaders are also becoming very corrupt. We can hardly find one or two leaders to choose as our role models. Gone are the days when the people in large favorably consider the right leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. These days, the leaders are becoming really corrupt that they will go to any extent for their own needs. India is becoming one of the most corrupted country day by day. Apart from this, we have many positive factors. India's culture is so vast that its natural diverse factors are really huge. We have offered many scientists, thinkers, teachers, and learners. So, in the field of economics as well as agriculture, various industry sectors, we have performed well. So, what we need is dedication, perseverance, and hard work. Above all, we should all be honest people. With these factors, we can hope that our future years will be brighter. Let's hope that in the coming years, we can understand the true meaning of independence. With these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
At last, but not the least, we have Cadet Vishnu KU with an instrumental.